The mother temple Besakih is the biggest temple which is visited by Hindu adherents in and outside Bali for praying, to adore the glory of God with His manifestation. Inside of the mother temple there are many temples in Bali's supreme holy place, the essence of all Bali's 20,000 temples, a symbol of religious unity and the inheritance of the Balinese ancestors. The temple of Luhur Uluwatu stands sturdily on the top of cliff at south of Bali. A beautiful view. You can enjoy the view of Indian Ocean, the sunset on the edge of the hill, while you mingle with the tame monkeys around. Tanah Lot Temple is a sea temple which is perched upon a rocky outcrop surrounded by crashing surf at a high tide, attributed to the influence of the 16th century priest Dangyang Nirarta, and fill the holy water with its charm and holiness. It is ideal place for sunset view. The temple of Taman Ayun is the official state temple of the Mengwi dynasty, established in 1634. It is a fine example of Balinese temple architecture, with 3 ascending levels of the spacious courtyards, containing rows of shrines and pavilions. The pavilion is usually used as a place for dining for incentive guests. Goa Lawah Temple or Bat Cave is the holy cave, begins at the foot of a rocky cliff, and is said to extend all the way to the base of Mount Agung. The ceiling is alive with thousands of fluttering, squeaking long-nosed fruit bats. Lembuyang Temple, located at Bali's easternmost hill. From there, it is 4,000 steps to the top through a forest. This is one of 6 major Sadkahyangan spiritual points on Bali.